everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe of Momo with a twist. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Momo with delicious Makhni Gravy. So let's get started. To make the Momo dough, take 1 cup all-purpose flour that is maida and add some salt to taste. Mix the salt and flour. Then gradually add water and make a medium soft dough. Make sure you knead the dough really well till it comes together. Do not add all the water in one go, you might end up making loose dough, so add a little water. Once you're done making the dough, apply a little oil, cover it with a cloth or a plate and let the dough rest for 10 minutes. To make the Momo stuffing, I'm using this pan from Borosil Stainless Steel Triply range. This Triply pan has 3 layers. The outermost is induction friendly, the middle layer is thick aluminium core that helps in uniform heat distribution, and the innermost layer is made of rust-free food-grade stainless steel. Stainless steel is a healthier option for cooking compared to non-stick and aluminium cookware. The kadhai in this range comes with stay cool handles and a thick gauge lid. I'll also use the stove and kadhai from Borosil Stainless Steel Triply range for the recipe today. Link to these utensils is given in video's description box. Use my code Priyanka10 to avail discount on your purchase. To make the stuffing, add around 2 teaspoon oil, 1 medium-sized roughly chopped onion. Fry the onion till they turn slightly pink in color. Do not let them become brown. Next, add 1 finely chopped green chilli, or you can add more if you want to. 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Fry for a minute or till the raw smell of ginger and garlic is gone. Next, add 2 cups of grated or finely chopped cabbage, approximately 2 pinches of crushed black pepper and salt to taste. Mix well and keep the flame between low to medium and cook till the cabbage gets cooked and the mixture dries a little. I like how the food cooked in these Borosil Stainless Steel Triply range utensils does not stick or burn, and these utensils are induction, electric and gas stove compatible. Our stuffing is ready. Transfer it to a bowl or a plate and set it aside. After resting the dough for 5 to 10 minutes, knead it again for 10 to 15 seconds. If you knead your dough, it would become nice and smooth. Take out a small portion. You can divide the entire dough into small portions. With this recipe, you can make 12 to 13 Momo. Now sprinkle some flour and roll the dough into a thin round sheet. Gently place it on your palm and add some stuffing. Do not add a lot of stuffing, but make sure it's not very less. And bring the edges like this together and shape the Momo. You can give any shape to your Momo, your favorite shape, but I find that the round ones would go well in this recipe. A close-up look for you to see how I'm making this shape. This shape is somewhat similar to a modak. I've made 6 Momo as of now, but yes, you can make 6 to 7 more with this recipe. Now let's steam these Momo. For the steamer setup, here I've got my kadhai and to this I'm adding some water. Now add some water, place a stand, you can place any stainless steel stand. Then place a plate greased with some oil and place the Momo on top like this. So you don't really need a separate steamer to steam your Momo, you can do this as well. Cover and steam at medium to high flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, switch off the flame and take out the Momo. You may have these right away with some Momo chutney or Szechuan chutney, but today we are making Makhni Momo, so set these aside. For the Makhni gravy, here I've got 4 Byadgi red chilies. You may use Kashmiri red chilies. These red chilies are not very spicy. To reduce the heat further, I'm removing the seeds. If you have got spicy red chilies, please don't use them in this recipe. Instead, you can use Kashmiri or Byadgi red chili powder later in the gravy. So discard the seeds and use only the outer part. Now to the stove, I'm adding 2 medium-sized roughly chopped tomatoes, 5 cashew nuts, half teaspoon ginger, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and the red chilies. Add approximately 3/4 cup water. Cook for 10 minutes. Keep the flame between medium to high. Switch off the flame after 10 minutes and let this mixture cool down. It's very important to let this cool down before you grind and then grind it to a fine paste. To make the gravy, heat 3 tablespoons oil. Such gravies need more oil than normal curries. Add a little puree. Do not add all the puree in one go. Then add 1/8 teaspoon turmeric, half of your 1/4 teaspoon measure, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder and cook this for a minute. You can skip red chili powder if your whole red chilies are a bit spicy. Add the remaining puree and give it a good mix. Add some salt to taste. Now keeping the flame low, cover and cook this masala for 10 minutes. Keep stirring it in between so that it doesn't stick. Then add 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon kitchen king, or if you've got garam masala, use 1/4 teaspoon. Roast 1 teaspoon kasuri methi in a kadhai or a small pan and crush it between your palms and add to the gravy. 1/8 teaspoon green cardamom powder. Give it a good mix. Next, add approximately 1 tablespoon butter, that is makhan, to the makhni gravy and mix well. And 1 to 1.5 teaspoon cream. So you can use the cream that collects on top of milk after boiling. So once you boil your milk, let it cool down. A layer of cream forms on the top. You can use that. And finally, place the momo. Right now I am coating 6 momo, but this amount of gravy is enough to coat the entire 12 to 13 momo that you can make with this recipe. Keeping the flame low, let the momo simmer in this gravy for 2 minutes. Look at the delicious momo coated in creamy makhni gravy. Too tempting to resist. Serve them right away. Even if you steam the entire 12 to 13 momo, coat 6 to 7 momo at a time in the gravy. Then you can take them out and in the same kadhai coat the rest of the momo. Finally, garnish with some more cream and crushed kasuri methi. Let me take a bite and show you. I love momo and I love makhni gravy base, and this combination of momo and makhni gravy is to die for. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.